Welcome back to Groove Master Academy. This is Cameron, and this is our first video in our music theory series designed specifically for guitarists. I'm here to help you unlock the musical superpower that is music theory. Today we're going to talk about half steps and whole steps. Those are the fundamental building blocks of scales and harmony. Once you understand these concepts, and they're not hard, you'll be well on your way to mastering your instrument and unlocking new creative possibilities, and most importantly, finding your own voice. Alright, let's dive in. Today we're going to start music theory from scratch, because music theory is your musical superpower, and we're going to do it from the point of view of the guitar this time. Alright, we're going to start off from the basics, half steps and whole steps. Hopefully there'll be a graph coming up over here. In just a sec, I'm going to put a diagram over here, I think. So I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so we're going to start with the Okay, we're going to start with the half step, or if anybody in other parts of the world are listening to this, the semitone. Smallest unit of measure, at least the smallest unit of measure between notes or interval, is a half step or a semitone. That is one fret on the guitar. I'm going to start with the A string, which is string 5, and that is open, no fingers down. Just going to the first fret, that is a half a step, the smallest distance that you can move. 2 half steps is a whole step. 1, 2 half steps is a whole step. So whenever you start, if you go up 1 fret or down, that's a half step. 2 frets, whole step, half step. Okay guys, so that's the basic idea. Tune in next time and we'll start talking about how you put these together into major scales, which is the basis of everything else we're going to do.